I have COVID. I haven't brushed my hair in like 3 days. Love that for me. I'm feeling a lot better today. I can't taste anything, I can't smell anything. I tried to eat pasta salad, couldn't taste it, and like usually it really stinks, but I had my nose right next to it, I couldn't smell it. I'm gonna take another test because when you've tested positive they tell you to take a follow-up test. I should have done that like when I first found out, but I didn't. I just gave up. So I am gonna do that now. I hope it's like negative now. Does it work like that? You still feel ill but like it goes negative? I don't think so. Oh my strep is gone. It's so annoying. It just tickles. Oh my god. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Yeah, I definitely still have it. Go away. No one asked you to be here. No one invited you. No one invited you to this party. COVID. It's fine. It's totally fine. You stay. You enjoy the party. Even though I don't want you here. Yeah. There's not much I could do. You're already here. Well, I'm leaving my room and I'm gonna get cereal, even though I can't probably taste it. Okay, I've had my cereal. The worst thing about not being able to taste anything is all you have of that food is the texture. And any texture is not nice. Anyway, I did a bit of shopping on Shein and I'm going to show you what I got. I can't breathe, so give me a minute. These bracelets. I just got these beaded ones. I think they're so pretty. I don't think I'll wear them together. Probably just like 1 or 2 at a time. But I think they're cute. Do you think they're cute? I think they're cute. I got this top. I love these style tops. They're so cute. I would try them on, but guys, not today. I'm sorry. I feel just going downstairs for a bit and like getting food and that, I feel really weak. And I've started to feel a bit more ill again. So I'm not going to try these on today. And then I've got these shorts that look absolutely massive. They're size 8, but I think these are going to be the comfiest things I ever own and I ever wear. So then I got this like, oh my god, what is going on here? This top, that's the front and the back, it's like a halter neck with this skirt, but the skirt looks absolutely huge, so I'm not sure about the skirt, but it's just like a split skirt. And it looks like this. It doesn't look that great right now. Oh, you could cinch it at the front. Okay. I think it'll look better on, but it's a long sleeve. Like, it's hard to actually split. Oh, my arms. One of my sisters just left me something at the door. Don't make me cry. It says, where does it say it? Care package for Stacey. Gillian's. What are they called? That like the A1, like the first class, darling, amazing Gillian's. And then ooh, we have 36. That I've never had. Oh, this is a Bean Boozled, the jelly bean, isn't it? With the different flavours in. Oh, but they're all good ones. It's not the Bean Boozled challenge, guys. They're all the good ones, but I'm not gonna be able to taste them. And then we have I can't say that. Something in Jasmine diffuser. I actually want a new diffuser, so thank you very much. We have a candle vanilla. Ah, my smell's back. Ah, yay. Yay. Oh, I love vanilla smell, and it is like a sweet vanilla as well, so perfect. Oh, we have a body scrub. It's like everything I need. She's actually just known because like my whole body feels crusty AF, so this will come in handy. We have a mud mask, blueberry. That's really cool. I like this packaging. A little hedgehog plant. That's so cute. I have some hand gel. Lol dolls. Love that. And a shampoo bar. Girl. I'm so grateful for my family, I really am. After my last clips, I've gone downhill again. I was getting better this morning, but now I'm feeling a bit, you know. So I think I'm going to get food and see if that helps at all. I've just realised if I could never taste food, I'd be so skinny because like there's just no pleasure in eating food anymore. It's so boring. I've had a shower. I feel a lot better now. I use that scrub that my sister got me and it's really nice. It smells really nice because I can actually smell it. I'm just gonna watch some Love Island in a bit and have loads of ice lolls. Jubblies are the best, don't even come for me. So next day, there's a storm. It's raining so bad right now. Love that. Feel a lot better today, but I'm still like, bleh. But I feel like every day I'm getting better, so that's good. I ordered a McDonald's breakfast. I'm so excited. We got the, oh my god, sausage and pancakes, syrup, a hash brown, sausage and egg McMuffin, yummy, and a banana milkshake. Yum. I've just got out of the shower. Well, it was ages ago and I'm just laying here in my robe, but I feel horrible again. Can it just go away, please? I've had enough. I am getting better, but I'm just so tired, like I'm exhausted all the time. And this cough is so annoying. I think that's the thing that's annoying me the most right now. My cough's just got really bad, and like when I take a deep breath in, I start coughing, so it's really annoying. I've just come out of the bath and I feel really weak today. Like yesterday I felt weak but not too bad, but today it's not the one. But my room is an absolute mess, so I'm just going to tidy up a tiny bit, see what I can do because this is really awful. I'm really out of breath after doing that. I need to put all this away. I think I'm going to do that for another day though, because it's like, it's not affecting me right now, just I needed more space around me. It's the next day. I feel a bit better today. What is that? Love that for me. I've changed my bed sheets. Finally. My undersheet has bees on it. How cute. And animals on top of it. I feel a lot better today. But I am out of breath. I'm out of breath. I've got a cough, which is really annoying. I still can't taste or smell. So eating is just really boring. I'm just more bored than anything. I need something to do. I've got a routine now, guys. I'll go down, have a banana, because it's the only thing I really fancy at the moment. That's in the morning, and then I come back upstairs, go on TikTok for about 5 hours. My screen time is awful. And then I go back downstairs, eat some more, or try to, and then I grab myself some lollipops, no, ice lolls, and I come back upstairs and wait for Love Island to come on. What a sad little life, Jane. What a sad little life. I'm just more annoyed about the fact I can't taste anything more than anything else. Because like, I do feel better. I love how like every clip I just look the same. Like it's been more than a week and I look the same. I love that for me. I just wanna taste something. I think my taste is coming back. You know what? That is absolutely mad. I come on here to prove to you that I can't taste anything, and now my taste wants to come back. I better be able to taste these chicken noodles. Now I'm confused even more. I've just started eating my noodles and can't taste them. So my taste and smell must be gone, but not that bad that I can't have lemons or anything. Because you know what I mean, like I can taste like really sour things, but like normal food I just can't taste. It's really, really devastating. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this video here now. I'm more annoyed than anything at the moment. Like I had my really bad days, and then when I started filming this video I felt a bit better. And then every day I've been getting better, but my taste and my smell just needs to come back. It's just so irritating. Like I can't eat anything because I can eat things, but like it's just so boring to eat. I just want cheesy garlic bread, and like I'm just craving so much food that I can't taste. There's no point eating it. But to whoever has had COVID, if you have any tips about getting your taste back and your smell back, please let me know. It's very boring, I'm sure you can relate. And if you have COVID right now, I feel for you, and I hope you get better soon because it is not nice. If you're still here, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'm really sorry that I haven't been uploading. It's been a while since I've uploaded and that's really annoying, so I apologise for that. But hopefully, I'm not sure when my next upload will be after this video because I am still feeling ill, so I want to feel completely 100% again, and then I'll start uploading again, so I apologise for the future as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.